channel. So as you all know, we cannot go outside because of COVID-19, and even I'm also not going outside for my video shoot. So in this vlog I'm going to share my last year memories when I visited Gondla village. It is in Lahore district of Himachal Pradesh, and this trip was amazing and unforgettable memories of my life. So let's start the video. Gondla is situated on the famous Manali to Leh Ladakh road, which leads to Srinagar on travelling further. Gondla is approximately 100 km from Manali, and it is situated in Lahore and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. We started our journey at 3 a.m. to avoid traffic jam, but still we got stuck in a traffic for 1 hour. There are many villages one can see between Manali and Gondla. These are Gulaba, Marhi, Grampu, Koksar and Shishu. So we reached Marhi and we had our breakfast here with delicious aloo paratha, and we took some pictures and we continued our journey. Our next stoppage is Rohtang Pass, which is 16 km away from Marhi. As you can see, roads are not in a proper condition and one has to be very careful while driving, and it is better to get vehicle which has more ground clearance. And this road journey is incomplete without this Pagal Nala. Sometimes the road becomes too slippery because of the snowfall, so it's better to hire a vehicle, as local drivers are very much experienced in driving in such situation. And if you want to use your own vehicle, then at least consider hiring a driver from local travel agent. And we are about to reach Rohtang Pass. Rohtang Pass is 51 km from Manali, and this pass is located at the height of 13,058 feet. You can do many activities in Rohtang Pass like trekking, photography, skiing and tire drop. Nature lover can enjoy a beautiful view of glacier, mountain peaks and Chandra river that flows down in the Lahore valley. We enjoyed a lot in Rohtang Pass, and our next stoppage is Koksar. Koksar is 19 km away from Rohtang Pass. You can see beauty everywhere when you travel to Manali Leh Ladakh highway, and you can take some time to explore the beauty of Himalayas. Now we reached Grampu. Grampu is the place where one has to take right turn to travel towards Spiti Valley. I have already made a video of Spiti Valley. You can check in the above link. The next village is Koksar. There is a checkpost at Koksar. Before entering into this area, one has to write the purpose of traveling, vehicle registration number and number of people traveling. So we reached Koksar, where we had our tea and snacks. You can see beautiful view of Chandra river. After Koksar, the next village one can see is Shishu. Shishu is 14 km from Koksar. And after Shishu, Gondla is the next village to reach. And this is our destination also. Distance between Shishu and Gondla is 14.9 km. So we reached Gondla and this is the entrance of Glacier View Camp. And this is Glacier View Camp and here we are going to stay tonight. So we are going to stay in this tent. Room is perfect with attached bathroom and provided with basic needs. This is the cafeteria. And now it's tea time. And this is the morning view of the camp and you can see the surroundings. It's very beautiful. So friends, I'm ending with this. If you like my video, let me know in my comment section. And if you are new to my channel, then click on subscribe button. And meet you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.